Chris from Nederland has a question about asbestos siding.
He has it and doesn't want it.
Yeah.
So Chris writes, the asbestos siding is currently under some aluminum siding, and I'm going to remove both and replace it with Hardie. But I don't know how to dispose of the asbestos once it comes off. So, Tom, what's your advice for Chris?
First off, the aluminum, you can sell it for some money.
Yes.
So you can recycle that. That would be very good for you. And as far as the asbestos, as far as I know, and you'll have to check it, but you should be able to take it right to the dump. It should not be a problem because it's a non-friable product that doesn't dust up and cause the kind of problems that people are familiar with when it comes to real asbestos problems that happened in the shipyards and some of the manufacturing plants and things like that. In fact, asbestos siding will stay around forever. It was a great siding when it came out. It was just the workers were not protected during the lot of use of asbestos products.
No. If he pulls the aluminum siding off and he's got that asbestos underneath there, is there anything to stop him from running the Hardie right over the asbestos siding?
No, but a lot of people don't want to do it because it's not an even surface.
Okay.
With the aluminum, they could get away with it, but with Hardie, you'd have to put furring strips and do a lot of detail work.
Okay.
Quite frankly, I think
It just
removing
wouldn't be
the
worth it.
asbestos, and then you don't have to, someday somebody doesn't want it, you don't have to disclose that there's asbestos still on the home.
There you go. Because and God knows that if anything you disclose, you could disclose that there's like an oil well under the house, and they'd still find a way to complain about it.
Yeah, no, it's part of the homeownership.
You got a question? We got answers. Tom right here will answer your question if you send it to us at homeshowradio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. We'll answer it like these videos over here. Subscribe to our channel. We'll click the bell. We'll ring yours when there's a question and an answer posted that may help you.